What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva Crypto Babe. I'm back, guys. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Guys, I got something I need you to check out. How to earn $200 instantly, no selling, just promote a phone number, make money with your smartphone, fully automated, and get results. You got to check this out. I got something I want you to check out. Hang in there with me, and I'll be back momentarily. Check it out.
Did you know that the average person spends 3 hours per day using their keyboard? Putting it in numbers, that's 1,095 hours a year spent on typing. Now, just to break this down in a little bit more painful but very clear terms, you're most likely spending about 45 days out of the year typing. Most likely, it's even more than that because until now, you've had to also spend time thinking about what to type. And in this video, I want to give you back those 45 plus days and put an end to your need to ever think about what to type. I want to do this by giving you access to your very own AI writing assistant, absolutely 100% free. Yes, we are here to rescue you from the rigorous routine of thinking and typing. Meet Ava Writes, your new 100% free AI writing assistant. She is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology and can create high-quality, engaging content in just seconds. Say goodbye to the frustration and stress of thinking and typing, and say hello to more time. But hey, don't just take our word for it. See for yourself with a free membership to mysoftwarebusiness.com. Here, we're going to give you access to Ava Writes and all of our other tools and resources designed to help you create internet income as quickly as today. And hey, if you hurry, we'll also include more free software which you'll be able to get access to and learn about on the inside. So what are you waiting for? Claim your free AI writing assistant now by creating your free membership with mysoftwarebusiness.com.
So how cool is that? All right. Get paid $200 over and over, guys, while building residual income with your own software business. Okay. So I just showed you that video on the AI Writes feature. That's included if you get this system. All right. So let's go over it just a little bit. Introducing My Software Business. You're getting access to the most powerful and robust marketing suite on planet Earth. This website, you'll have access to this. It does all the selling and telling. The Ava assistants will guide all your prospects through the process when they call your number, and they'll send you $200. How much is this to get started? $225 is $200 one time, and then it's $25 a month. That $25 a month is giving you access to all these softwares. Okay? I mean, it's a slew, a plethora of softwares here. I saw somebody talk about on one of the posts that they have that messenger, that L Messenger service, which I'll show you in a second, for people that's using Facebook Messenger and it's getting bogged down. They use this service right here, L Messenger Pro, to help them manage that. So for those of you that's using Facebook quite a bit, this will be perfect for you. So you can check that out as well. L Messenger Pro. I'm hearing a lot of great things about that. This brand new software turns your Facebook Messenger into a color-coded CRM and generates targeted traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot using just your Facebook profile. Okay? So they even give you a video on that. But you get this whole system here. It's a game changer. Game-changing social media marketing tool included. All right, so check it out. Best automated systems out there built by marketers for entrepreneurs everywhere to help get a never-ending supply of leads daily. I love the fact of being able to make these $200 commissions on autopilot because the system walks all my prospects through the process. They go watch this presentation. They take a look at everything. You have them call your number, right? The AI Success Coach is what they call it. Here's my number, 239-579-3543. Call it from your smartphone and watch it go to work. Phone-based funnel, okay? It's going to help you earn $200 instantly and directly for every sale you make. And you're paid any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, crypto, okay? Credit card, it's up to you. One sale a day, the possibility is endless to make $6,000 a month. No guarantees here because we don't know what your worth ethics are. But this is just a projection. If you made one sale a day, that would be $6,000 a month. All right. So do your own due diligence. Jot down your income goals, and you figure out how many sales would you need to make a month to take care of all your expenses. All right. So great system. They've revamped it. So I'm back promoting it again because I like what they've done with it. Here's everything you get. They break it all down right here, guys. Gain instant access to the following by joining us. When you go check out the website, you will see all this yourself. I'm not going to read all that to you. I just want to point out the basics. Start today for $200 one time, $25 a month. All right. So let me show you the back office. Let's check that out. Hang on. So this is your dashboard. Now, the feature they were talking about, which is what I'm highlighting today, is that AI Writes right here. You're going to get that for free, okay? When you pay your $225, you log in, you're going to see this right here. I'm loving this tool because I can type in whatever I want, and Ava is going to write something back to me. It gives me some ideas. Some of it, I just tweak it a little bit. But if I want to send out an email to some people, or if I want to send out a text message, I put that in here and let Eva give me some ideas of how I can word it. And of course, I'm going to switch it around a little bit. All right, so let me show you an example. All right, hang on a second. All right, I kind of just made this up. Send me 5 messages to send to people. It's probably going to give me headlines, but let's see what it comes up with. And then you can kind of tweak it to your specifications. So I told it to send me messages, send me 5 messages to send to people that want to make money with their phone. Check it out. Earn extra income. These could be great headlines for your emails or posts you do on social media. Earn extra income from the comfort of your home by using your phone to make money. Try it today. These are great. I would actually use these and make me an image, put these on them, and I'd post it. Okay, or I could send an email, all right, or I could send a text with this. So this AI Writes is super awesome. All right, guys, you got to check this thing out. This alone is worth it. Now, yes, there's a lot of freebies out there. Hang on a sec. You've seen them out there, but guess what? If it's free, a lot of people are probably using it, which is going to congest the system. Okay, and then how much can you get from that? Can you also earn a commission for sharing it with other people? This is a whole system. You see what just happened? I moved this around and this box popped up. Okay, so this is going to pop up for people to enter their information. All right, so it's a whole slew of softwares, not to mention you get a community. Let me show you the Facebook group that we've got for this, so you can see that other people are using it and making money with it. I'm going to show you that in a second. But sometimes everything free, there's some things that's free that's great, but this one is much different because, again, you're getting access to all of this. Take a look. They're stacking the value. All right, guys, call this number. Check it out. Let me show you some. Let's go into the Facebook group. Hang on with me. We're in the Facebook group, but before we get into, I want to show you some proof of other people making money with this. Check it out. What will Ava Writes become with your help? This is this feature that I showed you the video on. The simplest content creation and management platform on earth with the most efficient user interface and experience available. You can get content out of that. I see it already. I've already been using it. Create copy on behalf of clients while Ava handles payment and fulfillment 100% hands-free, doing it robot style. Your cure for prompt paralysis. She will guide you every step of the way to the most effective prompt to use for your clients or your objectives. Your new 24/7 social media manager who finds, creates, and posts the content while you don't. Okay, so some of those softwares they have, they will do the posting for you. You can schedule your post and the system will post for you. So it's a lot that you get with this system. $200 one time, $25 every month, and you're earning $200 commissions every time somebody buys this system. All right, so let's see what else is going on and who's making money with this thing. They created a new Facebook group, so they're kind of starting over. Shout out to Scott. He made another $200 sale. See right here, he says he's on his way to 6K. All right, here's another person. Mitch just got another sale. This is just a day ago. Another 200 popped through about an hour ago. All right, I shouted him out. Well, congratulated him on it. So guys, this thing is working. People are making money, all right, with it. I showed you guys recently another sale that had come in with the system. I didn't do anything. I was just chilling, and all of a sudden my phone went off and said, hey, you got $200 on the way. So if you're looking for a way to make $200 commissions using AI technology and your smartphone, okay, go check it out. Call this number, 239-579-3543. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Look forward to seeing you on the inside of my software business. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.